What's up, y'all? It's Gabe, that guy here, and today I'm gonna give y'all a few tips and tricks on how to get booked for shows and gigs. Now first, you wanna make sure you have a strong online presence. That's social media, that's YouTube, that's a website, and a few others. Now you wanna make sure that your website is very easy to navigate through. You never know who wants to actually reach out to you directly through your website. And also make sure that you're regularly updating with videos, photos, snippets of your music, and a few other things. Next, you wanna make sure you create a professional EPK, an electronic press kit. Now what this is a one-sheet document that summarizes your career and offers a bio, press photo, and also links to your music and videos. What this does is really helps out others get an overview of who you are and what you have to offer. Now you got the online presence going, you got the EPK all right and tight. Now it's time to network. Check out the artists in your local music scene. Maybe go to some shows in your area so you can collaborate with, maybe even talk to some promoters, even talk to the venue directly. You never know what a simple conversation can actually lead to your next performance or your next big opportunity. Now, another tip I want to give to you guys is don't be afraid to offer to performer supporting slots. A lot of big time artists and big time acts, they give up and coming artists the opportunity to actually perform before they even get on stage. You never know. If you really kill an opening show performance, that's a whole different fan base that you may have on your back, and it can really help propel your career and get you new shows. Now, I do have to be honest. It takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of patience to start getting booked for shows. Make sure you're staying professional and staying persistent. Nothing happens overnight, but I promise you, if you stick with it, you're gonna get it. If y'all like what y'all heard today, go ahead, click that like button, smash that subscribe button. It really helps us out and it gives us the opportunity to continue to give you these tips and tricks videos. This is Gabe, that guy, and I'm out.